Assalamu alaikum to class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to talk about properties of light. So first property of light is light travels in straight line called rays. As we see in our daily life, the light which comes from sun towards the earth, it travels in a straight line, not in curved line. So these straight lines of light are called rays. Light bends as it passes through water. When the light enters into the water, it does not move in straight line and it bends in water. Now, what makes a shadow big? When an object is close to a light source, it blocks more light. The object makes a big shadow. As in the picture, you can see easily. When a book is close to a torch, it blocks more amount of light. So, as the result of this blockage, the shadow which made by the blockage of light is big. When an object is far away from the light, it makes a smaller shadow. In second number pic, you can see a book is far away from source of light or torch, so it blocks less amount of light. So it makes a smaller shadow as compared to the book which is close to the source of light or torch. Now we are going to talk about materials and light. Light behaves in different manners when it moves in or different kinds of materials. When it enters in different materials. There are three different types of materials that light will or will not pass through. First one is transparent, second one is translucent, and last one is opaque. So now first we are going to talk about transparent materials. When light passes straight through a material, that material is transparent, just like a glass or glass windows from which light can pass easily or we can see through them easily. So the glass windows behave as transparent materials. Transparent materials you can see completely through them. Next we are going to talk about translucent. Translucent materials let some light to pass through them, but they scatter the light in all directions so that you cannot see clearly through them. Translucent materials are those materials in which you cannot clearly see anything, like glasses or tissue paper behaves like translucent materials. Examples are tissue paper, wax paper, tinted glass, forest window, a piece of notebook paper. Now we are going to talk about opaque materials. Opaque materials do not allow any light to pass through them. They block the light. Examples are wood, brick wall, chalkboard. In the picture you can see easily the wood does not allow to pass any light through them. So it behaves like an opaque material. Next, this is your assignment, students. How are shadow made? Thank you and Allah Hafiz, students.